We learned how to set up type ladder in the previous class, so let's look at in this class how to create a ladder, quickly set the parameters and position in the structure. Come on, let's go. Under Settings, we select the option shown in the box for the configuration of stairs opens. First we name the ladder the Sailor Ladder. In the Shape field, in the first option, by clicking on the item shown, we are taken to the Profile Selection dialog box. See the profile we selected for the side that will support the steps of the ladder. We confirm the box by clicking Select. After this, we make the analog procedure for selecting the profiles of the steps, keep track. In the Geometry field, we enter the values for width of the output, length of the projection of the sides of the ladder after the last step, and step spacing. After that, we click as shown to go to the second tab of the dialog box, where we enter a description and set the geometry parameters, follow up. Once done, we click OK to finish the ladder settings. The maximum length of the ladder varies from country to country according to current safety standards. In some cases, it cannot be taller than 5 meters. In this way, values higher than this require the addition of a platform in the limit value and the addition of new ladders. For didactic purposes, we will add the ladder without considering the maximum height. We disable unnecessary layers and then activate the ladder command. We are then asked about the starting and ending points of the ladder, and we can select them in the structure. Or we can still select the starting point and type the length of the ladder. By determining these 2 points, we are asked about the distance between the ladder and the structure, that is, the indentation that the ladder will have. In the same way we did to determine the length of the ladder, we can select a point or specify a distance. Before we define the indentation, we should pay attention to the direction of the imaginary orange line shown, which indicates the direction of the ladder. In order for it to be inserted in the correct direction, simply move the mouse in the desired direction. Done this, we specify a distance of 100 mm for the indentation by typing this value. With it the ladder is positioned in the structure. With the command move we allocate the ladder in the best way. Observe. And so we ended this class, where we created and positioned a sailor type ladder.